Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the travel insurance on the Qantas application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page by tapping on this button in the left side corner of the screen down below, and then you should tap on the travel insurance button at the top in the plan a trip section, and after that you will be directed to the Qantas.com website where you can check out everything about the travel insurance. Here you should select your destination, so where are you traveling, then set your departure date and your return date, and after that you should add the age of the traveler, and here you should indicate whether you have any existing medical condition, and tap on the get a quote button down below, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the available insurances, and here you can select a policy, you can read about it, tap on selected. Here you can check out full benefits. Here you should add these additional options for your travel, such as heading to the snow, need to specify any luggage items, and then click on review and checkout. And here you should add your details, and then you can purchase this travel insurance. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.